Which restroom fixtures specifically require disinfectant attention during cleaning? Sinks, dispensers, handrails, doorknobs, light switches, toilet flush handles, urinals, stall doors, and faucet handles all need targeted disinfectant application. Focus first on high-touch contact points and use a two-step process of cleaning then disinfecting. Clean visible soil with detergent or a cleaner to remove organic material because disinfectants cannot work effectively on dirty surfaces. For hard, non-porous fixtures, use an EPA-registered disinfectant or a disinfectant that lists contact time and follow that contact time exactly, keeping the surface visibly wet for the duration. For porous or textured surfaces, like some stall door edges and rubber gaskets, use a disinfectant labeled for those materials or clean, and then allow air dry if the disinfectant is unsuitable. Use microfiber cloths and color code them to separate restroom from other areas to avoid cross-contamination, and launder cloths at high temperature after use. Always wear appropriate gloves and eye protection when handling concentrated disinfectants, and mix only according to label instructions to avoid dangerous fumes. Common mistakes include spraying a disinfectant and wiping it off before the required contact time has elapsed, which reduces efficacy. Leave the surface wet for the full labeled contact time or reapply if needed. Another issue is skipping less obvious fixtures such as light switches, soap dispensers, and handrails. Create a checklist and train staff to follow it every cleaning shift. A third problem is using incompatible products together, which can create toxic gases or inactivate the disinfectant. Never mix products and store them with clear labels and safety data sheets. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors for restroom maintenance and cleaning projects, and we provide a community discussion area where users share experiences and tips on effective disinfectant practices. We connect contractors with homeowners looking for work and support conversations among users to improve cleaning outcomes.